kids. Today we are going to learn on point 1 we are opposite from first standard English Bal Bharti. Kids, do you know what is the meaning of opposite? Yes, opposite means not same or different. It means we are going to see some opposite words in this lesson. What is the meaning of opposite? Not same or different. This is a poem from your Unit 5, Lesson 1, we are opposite. What we are going to do is we will read the stanza one after another and I will explain what does it mean. 1. Listen, sing and enact. We are opposites and I will tell you more. I say after and you say before. Yes, look at this picture, kids. Here we can see one girl and boy is there. This girl is saying, this boy and girl, they are saying that they both are opposites. And this girl is saying, I will tell you more words. She said, I say after. And what you will say? You say before. It means after and before are opposite words. I come in and you go out. We are opposites. Let's give a shout. Here, this girl, she is coming in the room and this boy is going out from the room. Here, in and out are opposites. I look up and you look down. I like to walk. You run to town. Here, kids, see here this picture. This girl, she is looking up towards the roof or towards the sky, and this boy, he is looking down in his book. Now, what you do when you read your book? You look down, no? Yes. Can you read a book when you look up? No. Yes, up and down are opposite words. Here, I like to walk. This girl is saying that she likes to walk, and this boy want to run to the town. It means walking and running are opposite words. I know some of you likes to run here and there, no? I am small, as smaller can be. You are big, much bigger than me. This girl, she is saying, I am smaller, as smaller can be. It means the smallest one, and she is saying, you are big, much bigger than me. See, small, big. Here, small and big are opposite words. Smaller and bigger are opposite words. I say stop and you say go. We are opposite. I told you so. Here, this boy is saying, I say stop. I guess we should stop here. We learn many opposite words. And this girl say, no, we should go further. I want to learn more opposite words. And this boy is saying, we are opposite. We are different. I told you already, na? We are opposite. We are opposite. It's like I said before. Think on your own if you want any more. This boy is saying, I told you that we are opposite. If you want more words that describe us opposite, then think on yourself or think your own. I think it's hot. You think it's cold. I say it's new. You say it's old. This girl, she is saying, I think it's hot. It is very hot. I'm sweating. And this boy is saying, no, I think it's cold. That's why he wears sweater, no? And this girl is saying, I say it's new. It's a new thing. And this boy is saying, no, it is an old thing here. Hot and cold is opposite and new and old is opposite. Here, this is a poem, kids. First, we are going to read some opposite words from it. Here, after, before, in, out, up, down, work, run, small, big, smaller, bigger, stop, go, here, hot, cold, new and old. These all are opposite from your poem. Now sing with me. We are opposites and I will tell you more. I say after and you say before. I come in and you go out. We are opposites. Let's give a shout. I look up and you look down. I like to walk. You run to town. I am small as smaller can be. You are big, much bigger than me. I say stop and you say go. We are opposites. I told you so. We are opposites. It's like I said before. Think on your own if you want any more. I think it's hot. You think it's cold. I say it's new. You say it's old. Very good, kids. Now we are going to solve some exercises here. Exercise number 2, read aloud and say faster and faster. Kids, here we can see some words. These all words are rhyming words. Okay, the pronunciation of the rhyming word is same, or the ending pronunciation or the ending sound is same. Here what we are going to do is we are going to read this word slowly, read aloud and then faster and then move faster. Now read with me. Brown, frown. Dear, near. Walk, talk, chalk. Cold, old, gold. Small, ball, all. Now kids, we are going to read it faster. Brown, frown. Dear, near. Walk, talk, chalk. Cold, old, gold. Small, ball, all. Move faster. Brown, frown. Dear, near. Walk, talk, chalk. Cold, old, gold. Small, ball, all. Very good. I hope you understand this word. Can you get it? Read aloud the words in the two boxes given below and find the pairs of opposite words. Here kids, we can see here two boxes. One is here and another one is here. What we are going to do is we will read all these words first and then we will find the opposite word from these two boxes. Okay, now read with me. After, hot, small, up, new, left, stop. In, here, before, cold, big, down, old, right, go, out, there. Here is the first word, kids. After. What is the opposite word for after? Yes, it is before. So we are going to write below. After is opposite word for before. Next one is hot. Here it is cold. Hot, cold. Big, small. Small, big. Up, down. New, old. Left, right. Stop, go. In, out. Here, there. Very good, kids. Next question 5. Circle the word that does not rhyme with the rest. Here, kids, we can see the set of 4 words in each question. From these 4 words, one word has a different pronunciation. So this different pronunciation word we have to circle it. Or the rest words are rhymed to each other. Let's read first. More, score, door, there. Which sound you find different? Lesson 1 again. More, score, door and there. Yes, it is a dare. So we are going to circle this word dare. Here. Go, so, do, no. Here kids, we can see O is the last letter in each word, but the pronunciation is different. G-O, go, S-O, so, D-O, do, and O, no. Here, which word is different, has a different sound? Yes, do has a different sound. Next is down, town, brown, old. Now observe kids, each word has this word O, W and own, but the sound is different. Down, town, brown and own. It means own has a different sound, no? That's why it is not rhyme words with rest of words. Fun, ran, gun, sun. Which word has a different sound? Listen one again. Fun, ran, gun, sun. Yes, gun has a different sound. Next is game, same, name, come. M-E, we can observe here kids. M-E is the same, but which word has a different sound? Game, same, name, come. Yes, come is that word which has a different sound. Next is brush, brush, rush, crush. Which word has a different sound? Bush, brush, Crush, crush. Yes, it is a bush. So bush is that word which has a different sound. I hope kids you understand these rhyming words, how to find it.